Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for another video and welcome if you're brand new here. My name is Crystal and I love posting cleaning, organization, and decorating content. If that interests you, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can join my family. Also, click the notification bell so you'll get alerted every single time I upload. Subscribing is totally free and it's the best way to make sure you never miss out on new content. I am just removing my whole 2 pieces of fall decor from this mirror piece and replacing the pumpkin with this light up Christmas tree. I need batteries for it. And then these letters that spell joy I got from Kirkland's, I believe, a year ago. I was just using my e-cloths and I do have an affiliate link in my description box below if you're interested. They clean using only water, which is awesome. And now I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's and the orange clove scent to take care of my ottoman. If you saw my master bedroom decorate with me, then you know I used the snowdrop to wipe things down in there. The orange clove is a close second, but the snowdrop is my all-time favorite winter scent. I will include the link to that video below as well in case you missed it. I got 2 of these little winter flower arrangements from HomeGoods. One of them's in my bedroom. I used the other one out here along with this candle, and then I just had some coasters that had snowmen on it, so I replaced my black ones with those. That took care of the ottoman, and now I'm just wiping down my island before I put my big blue poinsettia back on it. I got that from Walmart. It's got glitter on it and also a hint of purple, and I really love it.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
I just put out my little Christmas mug and I was hanging up these towels and I don't know how it happened, but something got on my white one. It's just plain white and has a silver Christmas tree. So I'm gonna have to wash that one. So for now, I'm just gonna hang the red one.
They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is
a little random, but I'm in North Carolina and we're getting sleet and freezing rain right now. So I am curious, how is the weather where you are?
Diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the tree.
Now moving on to the dining room, I am just wiping down this charger with my e-cloths because I'm going to use it again. Also, I did buy a few other decorative items for different places in my home, but because I started so late, I did not use them. If I decide to put them out, I will just post them on Instagram, so make sure you're following me over there.
Diamonds playing, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag? I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
I got this box of glittery pine cones from Hobby Lobby and they smell wonderful, so I'm just putting those out, and that's the only thing I'm gonna put on my table. But I have gotten the bug a little bit. Some of you may not know, I don't normally do much decor at all, even for Christmas, because we're usually not at home. But I am really excited to do more next year. It'll still be pretty simple and minimal by a lot of people's standards, but I'm excited to just expand on what I've done so far. I will have a tree next year. I missed out on the one that I wanted from Michael's, but I'm determined to get it in time next year. Since I got glitter everywhere, I'm just gonna do a quick vacuum. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can join my family here on YouTube. I would absolutely love to have you. Please take care of yourselves and your families. I love you, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
No time to let love grow. I wish I could